we're working on our little side pockets, and I've done one. It's pretty, and we'll do one with you. So we have the, I marked the tops, well, the top of this guy, so that I know which side to attach to, a couple of clips. And we're going to sew just along the top with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Using my trusty Teflon foot because I can, but I'm not sewing on vinyl just yet. I'm going to change the foot to the 1/8 of an inch Teflon edge foot. Pop the thread. Oops. Get the hole. Put your threads behind you, behind the machine. We're going to increase our stitch length to 2.5, and we are going to top stitch on the fabric through the seam allowance of the vinyl. So we'll do that. That. Okay, so we have our first top stitch done. Some loose threads hanging around here. I hate loose threads. All right, now we're going to bring this to the bottom of the pocket section and give it a really good crease. Make sure that it's even on the bottoms. Okay. The wrong angle. Hopefully you can see this. Okay, so we're giving it a really good crease. And then we're going to, you don't have to, I just like to, I'm going to take some 1/2 inch double-sided tape and just pop it right near the top where I folded that. That's just going to help it kind of stay in place and not be bubbly, even though I like to be bubbly, but not for my bags. Okay, pop that off. Now we're gonna, how's that? Shoot. Sorry about that. More threads. Okay. Now we're gonna pull this down again, even with the bottom. And this time we'll just press the top in place, and that double-sided tape holds it nicely. Okay. Then come over here. We have our stitch length still set to 4.5, and we're just going to top stitch the top of the pocket piece. And now we have our 2 pocket pieces complete. If you'd like to, you can baste around the edges so that when you attach it to the side, it won't come loose. I don't think you need to personally. It depends upon the fabric, but my stuff is not going anywhere. So next we're going to install the spring snaps to the side pieces, which is always fun. And then we'll attach our pocket pieces, and we are making fantastic progress finally, huh? So I'll meet you back at my desk.